Hey guys, thanks for joining me. This is Angie at Chicken Scratch. My video for you today is my designer series paper charts. So the annual catalog, the annual Stampin' Up! Catalog just launched on June 4th, and I have my charts ready for you to download. You can either download the blank copy of the charts and cut your designer series paper in 2-inch squares and add them, or you can just print the scanned copy that I also have on my website. So there's two options, blank or scanned. So I'm going to show you those, and then we're going to assemble the last one. So this is the Bird Ballad, and I really use these when I'm creating. It gives me a quick look at every piece of paper that's in the pack. And so, for example, if I was looking for Pool Party, I could use these three here. Actually, several of these. Okay, so this is Come Sail Away, Follow Your Art, Garden Lane, Magnolia Lane, Mosaic Mood, and one thing I didn't tell you, well, let me go ahead and show you the rest. Noble Peacock, Perennial Essence, Pressed Petals, Sia Silhouette, whoops, and Woven Threads, and then the designer series paper stacks. Now I have one left, but before I assemble that one, I want to tell you that this is the back side of this one, this is the back side of this one, and so on. Okay, so in the old days I used to put them in what I thought was the best order to look pretty. Now this is the bottom or the back side of that one, and vice versa. Okay, so let me get the last one. This is Dino Roar. And so for those of you that don't print the scanned copy and you want to make your own, I just cut these 2-inch squares and place them here, and then I'm going to show you how I add them. I film this video every year, and you know there's new stampers every year, so you may have already seen how to do these. This video may not be helpful to you, but I'm sure there's someone that's never seen any of my previous ones. So I'm going to start here on the upper left corner. I'm going to take my spatula of the Take Your Pick tool. I just had it here in my chick stand, and that's going to help me lift this up because I don't want to get glue on my fingers. And I used to use like snail adhesive, but you know, this liquid glue actually works really well. I'm going to move these out of the way. Okay, so place that there, hold it for a second, give it a chance to dry, and then we'll do the next one. Now you might be asking, how long does it take to cut all those squares? It actually does take a while to cut them, to print the document, to glue them down. Yeah, if you have a good printer, you might just want to print it. Yeah. Sometimes though, some of the printers, the colors don't come out exactly the way the paper is. So I'm a fan of course, just making the charts and keeping them on my desk. Now I will slide these in a page protector. You can 3-hole punch them if you want to, but I like adding them in a page protector so that I don't get any ink on them, because I do keep them on my work, you know, where I create, and I'm clumsy. I drop a lot of stuff, so it's best for me to just keep them in a page protector so that they're protected. In fact, as I'm filming this video, I got ink on one of them already, which is so typical of me. I'll have to remake that chart or apologize for the little smudge of ink on it. I love this pack of paper. So you guys will have to let me know what pack of paper speaks to you. What's your favorite? I like several of them. I wouldn't say I like all of them, but some of them I like more than others. We all have our favorites. We all have different taste. Okay. I love this pack. One more, and then we are done. So the PDF will be over on my website. If you're watching this video, like let's say a couple months after I've filmed it, you can find it under programs on my website. So under the banner, under my logo, there'll be a row, a navigation bar is what it's called, and you will see the word programs, and it will be under organization, okay? Because this is an organizational thing. I can't talk. Okay, so that's it. Gonna slide it in a page protector. Looks awesome, right? Have a great day. Thanks a lot. Bye.